Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla. We just got done exploding the world's first Cybertruck passenger airbag from the dashboard. Why did we do it? Well, we did it to test out our new carbon fiber dashboards. It's a complete overlay that surrounds this entire airbag compartment. As you can see, the way it opened up, no issues, no fragments, completely safe. And again, this only deploys if there's someone in the passenger seat. Let's get into our installation and our product release for our glossy and carbon fiber Cybertruck dashboard overlays. It sticks, it holds, and it doesn't impair your airbag deployment. Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla, Cybertruck owners. Our carbon fiber full dashboard overlay is finally being released in the next few days. So what we want to show everybody is this is your dashboard. This is your dashboard found in all Cybertrucks. And to install it is a little bit unique, but no tools are required. Everything just holds on with pressure-sensitive adhesive tape. But this video was created originally to explain about the airbag. So under your dashboard is this large airbag. This airbag deploys outward and forward. So up and forward. So we had some challenges trying to design this and manufacture this. So we started off with a 3D printed model. So this is 3D printed. And again, we had to scan it and create it and make it. But we had to create a nice hole in it. Again, this is for the airbag to deploy if you ever have front-end collision. So again, let's talk about finish choices. And we've got two great choices. We've got the beautiful matte finish, which again fits just like this. Fits awesome. We also have dry molded glossy carbon fiber. Either one is beautiful. It matches our steering wheels, it matches our center consoles. Everything is 2x2 twill pattern, dry molded carbon fiber. We're going to install this one now as a demonstration, but again, we're using VHB tape and it's all dry molded carbon fiber. Okay, installation is very simple. First, bring it into your vehicle, very gently test fit it. You want to make sure you test fit it before you take off all of this 3M VHB double-sided tape. Now, we've loosened all the edges and we already tested it. So we're not going to do it in this video, but you'll see how simple it's going to be. So pull all these springs off. And again, you're taking off the tape liner, not the tape. So be very careful when you pick on these pieces and make sure it leaves a piece of translucent double-sided tape as you see sitting right here in the close-up. So this has to be installed. If for some reason it lifts up, go like this, push down on it so the liner comes off of the tape. Notice here, okay? So if it starts to lift up the tape, just push it down so the tape sticks to the dashboard. All right, we're really excited about this. It's been many months in development. And again, make sure the tape's holding good. You don't want the tape to get air under it. So push down on the liner and pull the tape away slowly. Pull the liner away from the double-sided tape. All right, so we're good to go. Everything's loose. All the pieces are off. And the installation is going to take very little time. Now you want to have a microfiber towel in the vehicle here. So we're going to grab one real quick and we'll be right back. Okay, now what we want to point out is if you have a Beast, you have alcantara. If you have a dual motor, rear wheel drive, front wheel drive, dual motor, you'll have plastic. Regardless, it's going to work the same way. Now, after you've test fit it and you like it, we're going to move on with the full installation. This is our second generation airbag release panel
and this panel is going to flop open. So this is still in development. We still have to do an airbag explosion test before we release it. But we're going to install it in this vehicle right now. So what you want to do is bring this inside of the window. So back up. So come in the driver's side window like this. Set it up on top, on an angle, just like this. Okay? It's very, very easy. Now, what we're going to do, and maybe get a real high shot up here, is what we're going to do is we're going to put it like this, but see, it won't fit. So we've designed this corner over here to be stuck in this corner window. And then this is going to be right in this location. Now, this is the actual installation, and it's only going to take a few seconds. So you hold this hand, and you hold this side. You hold it right here in the middle. Okay, right in the middle behind the display, we have a secret flexible area. So we're going to hold this corner down, number one, like this. We're going to hold this up in the air, and we're going to bend it up and pull this with my right hand all the way over and simply put in place. I mean, that's it. It's that simple. Now, we're applying pressure to the double-sided tape or the pressure-sensitive adhesive tape that's going to adhere to the plastic original dash or to the alcantara. Both stick very well. And again, this is our new front dashboard panel, and this is the upper panel. This front version will be out very soon. We're just making some minor tweaks to make sure everything works good with the glove box. Again, it's very, very easy to install. Now, again, if you've received this from us already, you have a little different look over here. So this is an opening. And again, we're not releasing this until we finish our testing. But we've got a very strong tape that's holding the airbag cover here underneath. So again, we're going to test it below another airbag, make sure there's no risk of injury, because we know a lot of people would prefer to have this oval hole covered. But it can't be covered because it has to be accessible for this airbag to deploy like we show you in this video right here. Of course, it's very violent, and we don't want anyone getting hurt. But we want to, again, show how this holds. Just look at how beautiful it holds. It's sticking. It's all the way down. This is our turning display. You can rotate it back and forth. It works great. It doesn't interfere, just like our dashboard front and upper panels. So again, we're going to have, you see when the power's on, how beautiful this looks with the red light and everything else. Let's see here. I don't know why I lost that power. But look at the red Night Rider light and how great it looks with our carbon fiber steering wheel. Again, another sneak peek. This is a new product releasing next week, and this is our center console. So this is a complete perimeter center console overlay. Again, this prototype is not installed yet, but very affordable. It goes completely around the cup holder, around the charging pad. It leaves the charging pad open, and that combined with our silicone overlay really decreases the chance of overheating your phone while you're wirelessly charging it. But everything we're designing is to be compatible with all of our other products, just like this charger here built in that holds your AirPods in place. This is a great unit. Just put it down right there. It just charges up your AirPods. You can buy 2 of them or 1 of them. Again, interior. We love our interior. And our best, favorite, most practical item is our hidden charging wireless mount. This mount works here for horizontal or vertical charging. It's the best because it doesn't block your view. You can see here when I drop a phone on here, I retract it. I can make it flush with the screen. And if you're sitting in the seat right here, your yoke steering wheel is completely unobscuring your view out the windshield, and it looks awesome. So this is great. Even when you change your display up, down, your phone works. It can see your eyes. So it's perfect for face identification. And again, next is upper and lower door panels. You're going to be surrounded in beautiful carbon fiber if you like it as much as we do. Anyway, that's our full installation video. We're going to be coming out with more exterior products, and we'll be back soon. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and you'll get early release notifications of new products as they drop on our website. But isn't this great? I mean, you want a clean look, you just hide it. You want it horizontal or vertical, it's there. And we have a wiring technique. We teach you how to wire it right into your glove box, right underneath, super clean install, and there's no issues, and it charges right off of our port that we install in the glove box. Thanks again for watching. And this sure adds a beautiful, lustrous look, sporty look to your Cybertruck. Okay, once you get your Cybertruck full cover installed, whether or not you have alcantara or the plastic cover, we recommend taking all the tape liner off like we just showed you. But if you have any problems with it adhering, okay, we recommend this. One of our customers in LA told us about the Super Duty Strong American-made tape. And this tape is thicker, it's double-sided, and it has a little liner on it. So let me grab the liner here and we'll pull it off and we'll show you where to put it. And again, just let us know if you need a piece. We'll cut one off for you and send it to you. You don't have to go buy a whole roll on Amazon. But this stuff is very strong and will do the trick. So since we've showed you how to install it under our flexible point here, we recommend this is the ideal location. So again, this is alcantara. We haven't heard of anyone needing anything for the plastic dual motor. But if you have a Beast, we're gonna include this and find out. Just stick it to the alcantara without your fingers sticking to it and place it right up inside just like this. So now you can see it here sitting there flat. And again, this already has clean carbon. We're going to press it back down in place, and then we're going to apply some pressure right on this tape location. Use a towel, lint-free, and just push real hard. And you should see it's not going to lift at all anymore. So again, we had the regular 3M VHB tape running back and forth and upside down. And again, we're pushing it down just like this. Now, the last thing we wanted to say is the first batch went out with the airbag covers where the airbag cover was in two pieces. So if you did receive that and you prefer our new version with the opening flap and the super strong tape, just give us a call. We'll send you one of these out for free in glossy or matte finish. But anyway, it looks a lot better than the cut to flat version, and we determined it's safer after we did our second airbag blow test. Thanks again for watching RPM Tesla, and it's the beautiful Cybertruck top dashboard overlay, and this is the front, and these are coming out next. Then we've got door panels, lower, upper, and more to come. And the heated steering wheels are great, fully heated, soft Napa leather with our new glossy PPF, which is the overlay for the bezel. Thanks again. It's RPM Tesla. We appreciate your business.